Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Inbox and Planner to organize your day in Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's begin. First, open the Trello app. Tap Inbox right here. Here you can quickly save ideas and tasks. You just need to tap here, write task you want to finish. I will go with this one. And I'm going to add. So, when you finish your task, you just can back here, find the circle, and tap here. So, it's going to be marked as ready, and it's going to disappear. Okay, next one. Open the planner right here. Planner's task is help you see your task by date and time. To add a task, you just need to choose any day you want. I'm going to choose this one and tap right here. You're going to throw in a Google and there are going to be instruction how to make your task exactly in the way you want. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.